Hi, welcome to episode 2 of the SuperTrak Conveyance Ask the Expert series. My name is Ben Hope and I'm the product manager for SuperTrak. One question that we always get is about programming and controls. So today's question is, what controls SuperTrak? Well, SuperTrak, like any other automation component, is controlled by a PLC via Ethernet IP, Profinet, or EtherCAT, but it also has embedded functionality because it's a smart product. So by utilizing that integrated functionality, you can do more. So rather than programming the same thing over and over again, like target routing or collision avoidance, pre-stops, setting up motion parameters, you can utilize the integrated functionality and configure it to suit the application needs. So the PLC is just controlling when something happens, not the specifics of what happens. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, you can email us at questions@supertrakconveyance.com. Thank you.